Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Coleman and this is my signature sound bank for Nord Stage 4. I grew up in Los Angeles. I grew up playing at a lot of churches, and I think eventually, I got kind of tired of just playing organ at the church, and I kind of wanted to kind of mimic some of these sounds that I was hearing. So I started programming, and getting into programming and and really kind of shaping the sound to kind of get, the closest I could get to the record. A keyboard in particular, I like the harmonic possibility, the rhythmic possibilities as well. You can do all these things on other instruments, but it's something about the piano that just speaks to me. So, I was drawn to it. I get inspiration from, a squeak from from the brakes of a bus. I'm like, that sounds like a little rap lead, or something. I don't know. I get inspiration from just like sound in general. I get inspiration from people. My cat, you'd be surprised. Middle of the night, he will definitely give you a little concerto. There's aspects of, I guess, technology that are inspiring me now. I think growing up, I've always kind of been more inspired and more into what's the cutting edge, This patch is called Vapor Dreams, just inspired by just vaporwave synthesizers. And a lot of these patches have functionality where you can, you can change either the envelopes with the wheel. The control pedal as well controls a lot of the filter modulations. So for instance, this patch, I have it set to the wheel, and I also have it set for the aftertouch. So this next patch, I've been really inspired by the moon these days. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to create something that reflected that. So this is my moon slide patch. You can check it out. I'm really deep into meditation, into yoga. I just wanted to kind of create also some patches that, represented those feelings and those emotions. Also, the functionality of just being able to hit one note and kind of get this soundscape. So this patch is entitled Celestial Space. And this is one of those patches where you can drone on one patch, drone on one thing, and you can do subtle movements, And also this also is controlled with the aftertouch as well. Another patch in that same vein of kind of like meditation and drones is a patch I created entitled Chakra Line. So this is Chakra Line. Another drone patch as well with pads, soundscapes, also controlled with the aftertouch as well. This patch is entitled Alien Vibes. I love the new vibraphone sample that they've put in this keyboard. The vibraphone sample sounds killing. Reminds me of like Bobby Hutcherson, you know, Milt Jackson vibes. Yeah, and I'm a jazz head, so I love all the old bebop stuff. So, you know, with the organ and the vibraphone, you know, I created this patch called Alien Vibes. So we've come to another patch that I really, really love, entitled Americana. You know, I'm always doing these random gigs where they're like, "Oh yeah, we just have enough budget just for a piano player," you know, and I'm like, "Okay, so, but I hear bass and I hear guitar and I hear all these other things. How am I going to cover that?" So over the years, I've had to like create patches where I'm playing left hand bass and maybe a little guitar. I don't know, just layer stuff. So I tried to just, you know, create something around that under the Americana like genre. So this is my version of that. So this next patch is entitled Analog Voyager. I kind of wanted something that was kind of more reminiscent of like just an older synthesizer. Definitely got inspired by Prince on this one. Cool, so that's my signature sound bake for the Nord Stage 4. Go check it out.